This is a talent show, and you saw all the talent today. What was your favorite talent piece you observed today? Let's hear it from the audience. What did you
Visit venues, prepare oneself, know your role, punctuality.
On a radio station. I mean, I was in that radio station, you would swear. They have a whole 5,000 people in that station jumping up and down with power. When you do that kind of...
They would recognize whether that particular show suit their style. So for me,
The persons are who are the persons who are able to come and do just that. We have to give them the opportunities to at least show what they can give, and then from there.
And he said to a guy who communicates over here, I want to do that. So the communication guy communicated with me.
Every year we observe November as Music Month, and of course CDF is all about culture and creativity. We host a show called Musique. This year it's taking place on the 29th of November. As part of Musique, we decided, hey, we want to host a training component. A key element of any musical show is the MC. The MC can make or break an event. And of course, we looked at who can we bring in? Who else to bring in but veteran MC, Mr. Gilroy Izai Hall and Ms. Barbara Jacob Small. We engaged those two individuals, and they were certainly thrilled to come out and share their knowledge with both budding and established MCs in the field. The hope is that from this workshop, the MCs will not just get some additional skills as it pertains to how to negotiate, for instance, their contract, how to prepare for a performance and evaluate their performance, but will leave here a little bit more confident, a little bit more ready to actually go out there and earn a livelihood from MCing.
Have you ever been asked at an event to highlight the sponsors?
I must commend CDF on putting forward this initiative. It's one that has been very much requested over the years, but I am also very elated that I am part of the delivery of this MC's workshop. I mean, the number of persons who wanted to be part and couldn't get in because, you know, we had to limit the numbers, that alone spoke volumes. But then today, the energy of the participants, their passion, their willingness to participate, and even their performances, because some of them actually performed as MCs throughout the day. It was just remarkable. I mean, I knew that we had people who wanted to do this, but like I said, the level of passion really has me moved.
Establish French, etc. That's very important to